Welcome to a new video with Mr. Math. Today's topic is composition of functions. The problem that we have today is we have two functions, h of t and g of t, and we simply want to find h minus g of t. We want to compose these two functions. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and jot down h of t, which is 2t plus 1, and we're going to subtract g of t from it, which is 2t plus 2. We'll just simplify those. 2t plus 1 will distribute, negative 2t, distribute again, negative 2, and combine like terms. Negative 2t and positive 2t go out, and 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Well, thanks for watching today, and I hope this video was helpful for you. And as always, we'll see you next time.